Nobody likes the word exercise, but let's face it, folks. If we want to keep in shape and not starve ourselves to death, a good fitness program is a must. Besides, you don't have to be brutal to your body. Look how much fun I'm having in this Shaper Caper class at the YMCA. I didn't have to memorize routines. I just walked into the class and mimicked the instructor at my own pace. But what's important is that the class provides 3 basic elements to a good fitness program. First, a warm-up and stretch period. Next, the peak exercise period. And last, the cool-down exercises. All kinds of charts are available to tell you what your ideal weight and percentage of body fat should be. That's right, body fat. I had mine measured, and it was a little higher percentage than Mary Ruth's, so my fitness program will continue. Carrie Ross, 5 Alive Sports.